In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a card site. We'll walk through how to copy a section within your existing card website so you can reuse layouts faster and keep your design consistent. Start by opening your card dashboard. This is where all your projects live. Click the project you want to work on and then open the editor. You'll see your page on the canvas, along with the settings panel for whatever you select. Think of the editor as a stack of elements. Pages are built from sections, and sections often contain containers, text, images, and buttons. Next, scroll to the part of your site you want to copy. Click directly on the section's container or on any element inside it. When you've got the right piece selected, the section or container will highlight, and its options will appear in the panel. If your click selects a smaller element by mistake, click the surrounding area again until the larger container or section is selected. Selecting the top-level container ensures you duplicate the entire block, not just a single text box or image. Once the correct section is selected, look for the duplicate icon. It looks like two overlapping squares and sits next to the delete icon. Click Duplicate. Instantly, Card creates a copy of the selected section, keeping the same content, styles, and spacing. If you clicked the wrong thing, use Undo to step back safely. Now move the duplicated section to where you want it on the page. Click and drag the copied block, and you'll notice guides as you reposition it. Drop it above or below other sections so it flows naturally with your layout. This is a great way to repeat patterns like hero blocks, testimonials, pricing rows, or call to action sections without rebuilding them from scratch. With the new section in place, edit it so it's unique. Update the text to reflect your new message, swap in the right images, and adjust any buttons or links so they point where they should. Feel free to tweak spacing, background colors, or alignment to fit the new context while keeping your overall style consistent. If your editor shows a label or name for the section, give it a clear label to stay organized as your page grows. Before you wrap up, take a quick look at the mobile and desktop previews to make sure the duplicated section looks great on all devices. Small adjustments to font size or spacing can make a big difference. That's it. Open your project, select the right section, duplicate it, move it into place, and customize. It's a simple workflow that saves time and keeps your design cohesive across your card site.